Hey guys, welcome to Introduction to ASP.NET MVC. My name's Roger. In this video you'll learn what ASP.NET MVC is and why you should use it. MVC is a programming model for ASP.NET that offers several benefits over the original programming model called Web Forms. Both MVC and Web Forms are built on top of the core ASP.NET framework, meaning they each have access to the same low-level functions such as parsing requests made to the server and formatting responses. From there, MVC and Web Forms take different approaches. For example, when it comes to URL structure, MVC allows URLs to be defined by the developer using any structure they'd like. Whereas in Web Forms, by default, URLs are generated based on the file structure and also typically contain query strings to produce dynamic pages. For HTML, MVC allows full control, whereas Web Forms allows only limited control. Many third-party JavaScript libraries and CSS frameworks require specific HTML tags and class names in order to work properly. For Ajax, MVC allows for a wide variety of JavaScript libraries to be used, including jQuery, Dojo, Prototype, and many others, whereas Web Forms contains its own proprietary model which seeks to abstract developers from writing actual Ajax code. For advanced scenarios, this can be a limitation. MVC allows a clean separation of concerns by its model view controller approach. This means that testing can be written for individual components more easily, whereas Web Forms' simplistic structure can make writing tests more difficult. In general, it can be said that MVC emphasizes control, whereas Web Forms emphasizes automation. While MVC offers several benefits over Web Forms, they do come at a cost. For example, MVC requires additional knowledge of front-end technologies. For simple projects, ASP.NET MVC may require additional time than Web Forms. There are also fewer resources for ASP.NET MVC, including fewer projects written in MVC and fewer developers with knowledge of MVC than there are for Web Forms. If you decide to pursue the MVC route, my advice is to learn front-end technologies first. This includes HTML, CSS, JavaScript, as well as the HTTP protocol in general. Having a solid grasp on these technologies will give you a head start into MVC. The best way to get started with ASP.NET MVC is by going to the official website at asp.net/MVC. And also check back on this channel for more ASP.NET MVC videos in the future. Thanks for watching.